Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll share you a quick Excel hack using which you can convert normal text to numbers. Sometimes we import data from different sources in Excel, but sometimes those data comes as a text. So I'll show you a quick hack using which you can convert those text to numbers. So without wasting much time, let me show you in the computer right now. If you follow my mouse here, I have a data set available in this particular Excel. What is there? There are certain values. You can see the numbers are there, but if you go to Home tab, you'll be able to see that Excel considered these particular values as text. And that's why it's left aligned. Normally what happens in case of it's a number, automatically that will get right aligned. Let me show you this hack what I'm talking about. Now, if I type 1 here and then hit enter, then I select this particular cell, I copy it, and then by pressing Ctrl, I select this entire range. Then what I need to do, I have to go to Home tab, I need to find out this particular option of paste, and there is one little drop down I need to find out. I have to go to paste special, and then a new pop-up will come. What I need to do, I need to only click on multiply, and then I need to hit OK. You can see this number got changed, and earlier it was left aligned considering it was text. Now if you click on any of the cell here, it has been considered as a general, which means it became number. So this hack is very quick hack, and using this small few steps, you will be able to convert any of the text to number very quickly. In this particular data set, maybe 10-15 values are here, but if you have hundreds or thousands of data, then it will be very useful to convert in a single go. So hopefully you like this particular tip. If you want to learn more such MS Excel related tips, I have a full course available. You can check the links in the description below for more details. If you learned something new from this particular video, give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel if you want to watch similar content in future. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.